Right, this is a video showing how to replace the starter, the complete starter mechanism on a Chinese chainsaw clone. These are Zenol clones. They're model 5200, labeled at anywhere from 45cc to 75cc, but they're all 5200, 52cc. So the first thing you need to do is remove the screws. There are 4 screws, here, 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 and here. I take an Allen wrench to go after this one because the bar is somewhat in the way. Then I take, with an extension on, I double extend these to remove the 4 screws. And I've already loosened these. It isn't always this easy to get out. So I remove those 4 screws, loosen them all up, make sure you get them in a can so you don't lose them. That is an Allen wrench, a hex wrench on it. Once that's off, the procedure is simply reversed. In here what I'm doing is putting in a easy start because of a bad shoulder I have. And you get it in, and you have to sometimes pull just a little bit to make sure it gets centered so it can go down. So once this seats, you simply replace all 4 screws, these 4 screws. Now what is this? This is Bondo. I put Bondo on these because these particular chainsaws have a tendency to shatter. The starter pull handle will shatter, this part will shatter, and so I tried to reinforce it. And it worked so far on this one. I put some hot glue underneath, anything to do it. The Bondo didn't stick very good, but that's why I'm replacing it on that. These chainsaws tend to come with a cord that's loose. If you come with a loose cord, stretch it out a little bit, hold it like that, and then take your cord and just wrap another wrap around like that. And that's how to solve that problem. That's it. That's how easy it is. 4 screws, 1 little pull to seat this so the holes show up, and you have a brand new starter on. The starters are cheap. It's almost not worth replacing the pulleys because you can get a whole new starter like this by $6-7. This I think is about $12 for an easy start. That's what I want because it's easier when you got a bad hand, a bad shoulder, whatever. Good luck. Like and subscribe, please.